What you're going to hear today is actually from the stories from the kōrero of those who fought here. And so you're going to hear our story. This is our history. This is our truth.
When you write history, it's an act of power.
You can't not talk about kingitanga when you come to Rangiaowhia.
It was a new land, it was a new time. The Treaty of Waitangi had been signed. Ko tiro rātou whakamua. They were looking forwards to the time all the pakanga, all the fighting of the past was behind them.
We've got to keep the kōrero going. It's so important.
Why did this battle happen?
One of the themes of this whole kaupapa, me mau mahara tātou, we must remember